Hi there, gorgeous! Today's video is a little different from what I normally do here on the channel, and it's something that I was going to do by myself. Honestly, I was just going to hoard all of this greatness for myself. And then I said, you know what? As much as I love this, I'm sure other people love this too, so why don't we just all do it together? Okay, so I have a massive lipstick collection, and I've actually purged it recently, like in the past 3 months, I want to say. I went through a phase where I threw out a ton of lipstick, and that was before I started doing my lipstick dupe videos that I have been doing, and I realized I probably shouldn't have done that because I had to go back and repurchase a lot of the lipsticks that I did throw out for duping purposes. But the problem I'm finding when I'm putting together my dupe videos is that I spend more time going through all of the lipsticks when what I really would like to have is something set up like a drugstore where it's organized by shade. If I could just go to, say, my nudes when I'm trying to dupe a nude and look at all those, or I can go to my reds and I'm, you know, etc. I wanted to find a lipstick organizer that would set me up like a drugstore display, something where I could put the lipstick in and I could see the shade on the bottom of the lipstick just like that as I'm looking at my entire display of nudes, pinks, reds, etc., so on and so forth. And I stumbled across these wonderful little displays and found them on Amazon. I think they were between $10 to $11 a piece. You get 24 slots in here, and the lipstick is not going to fall out because I have these already. Yeah, you know those, right? But they're too shallow. And my idea for these, since so many lipsticks here, I wanted to actually put them on the shelf that you see behind me here, stacked one on top of the other, so that I can look at the lipsticks like this, see what I have at a glance and not have to go searching. So that's the idea. I purchased 14 of these, which may organize all these, may not. I told you I stopped counting after 200, so this is the overwhelming part. What I'm going to do is organize them by nudes, pinks, oranges, reds, and then we'll go from there. I gotta put my hair up because I can't think with my hair down. You like my shirt? How cute is that? Baby mama. First thing I'm going to do is open up some more of these clear organizers. Where's my scissors? Oh, I left my scissors on the desk. Would you get my scissors for me? Or you don't feel like getting up either. Girl, I feel you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is dump all the lipstick onto the floor, and then I'm going to put you over my shoulder so we can organize all of this together and make some sense out of what appears to be senseless. I know. I mean, I tried telling you the sheer gravity of the situation here. The best way I can think to do this is to organize them all by shades first. And then once we have the shade groups organized, then we'll take them from lightest to darkest in each of those groups. Make sense? Okay. These are all the nudes that I've been able to pull out so far. I'm sure there are more in here that I've missed, but at least we have a stack started for nudes. So we'll move on to pinks. That's the pink drawer, at least for now. That's the pink drawer. And I think what I want to move on to next are reds, because there are so many reds in here that I feel like those are going to be the easiest to put together in one place. I feel like we've made a pretty good dent here. So far I've got nudes, pinks, reds, and everything that's still right here are corals, plums, peaches, that type of thing. So I'm just going to get these situated out and we'll be good to go. And there we go. Those are all the piles. So I think the easiest way to do this is to start with the least amount first, which appears to be my plums and violets. You can see in this area right here, and get those into one organizer and then move on to the corals and peaches, and then deal with these big massive piles on their own at the end. You know what? The whole time I'm doing that, I'm talking into this mic. Yeah, but guess what? It's not plugged in. So this is where it gets fun. Am I right? Am I right? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited for this part. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these first and organize my purples from lightest to darkest. And any duplicates that I'm finding, because like in this case, for instance, I have 2 of these from L'Oreal. This is Gleaming Plum. I'm donating one because there's no reason for me to have 2 on hand. Doesn't that just irk you? I am 4 more slots from getting all my purples in there. Can you believe that? What I may do is take these really, really big ones out, like this one and this one and this one, and just keep this for the bullets, the ones that'll fit. I'm not sure yet, but for now, that is what the first one looks like. Well, let me tell you, this was a project that took me a couple nights to complete, simply because I wait for my kids to go to bed at night so that I can come into the studio and film, edit, organize, basically do everything that I need to do during the day, but I can't really do with them around. I mean, you have small kids, you get it. So this project, I want to say, took me a total of 3, maybe 4 hours to complete when it was all said and done, and I'm so incredibly happy with how everything came together. The best part is I'm not going to be searching through drawers anymore for lipsticks, and everything is right here in front of me, so that when I am duping in the future, it's going to save me a lot of time. So I'm really, really happy with this. And the other thing that I like is that now I can see what I have. I can't tell you how many lipsticks I probably haven't used simply because I just didn't know I had them. So I feel like it's going to help me be a lot more adventurous when it comes to trying new lipstick colors too in the future. So really like that aspect. Now the idea behind this is that I'm going to have my husband put a shelf up a little bit higher. So the whole display that you're seeing here is going to be moved up onto a shelf so that little hands can't go into my lipstick, because little hands do love my lipstick. But the other reason too is just to get it up and have more room on that table to organize other things. So really looking forward to having this whole project be completed. And right now I'm working on my contour, blush, and highlight drawer next. So if you'd like to see that video, let me know. I'll be more than happy to share. By the way, if you would like a full face tutorial for the makeup I'm wearing in today's video, this is coming out on Friday. I just filmed it today, and the best part is nothing I used here is over $1. It's actually a full face of makeup from the Shop Misa, I think that's how you say it, website. This was a very highly requested video by so many of you. So that will be coming out on Friday. I'm not going to give it away. I would just simply tell you I love my makeup today, and I can't wait for you to see that video. Feel free to share your tips for organizing and any solutions that you've come across that makes your life a lot easier. Would love to hear what you have to say on this topic. Thank you for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day.